In 60 seconds, here's how to withdraw money from FanDuel to Chime. Make sure your FanDuel and Chime accounts are verified and linked. You'll need a verified identity, matching name, and linked bank or card. To link Chime, go to FanDuel Wallet and choose Add Bank or Card. Select Withdraw and choose Chime as your bank transfer option when available. Withdrawals usually take 1 to 5 business days. FanDuel may list small fees. Open the FanDuel app, tap Wallet, then Withdraw. Select Chime, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer details. On desktop, click your profile, Wallet, Withdraw, choose Chime, and submit. You'll get a confirmation and can track status under transaction history. If a withdrawal fails, verify account info, contact FanDuel support, or retry after 24 hours. That's it. Verify, choose Chime, confirm, and expect 1 to 5 days. Subscribe for more.